Hey everyone, before we jump in, I just want to put a quick note out there. This explainer is purely for learning and understanding. We're not promoting any specific product. This is really for those of you who are exploring different business software options and just want to get a clear picture of what's out there.
All right, let's get to it. Today, we're going to be digging into a platform that makes a pretty bold claim that it's not just another app, but a complete unified operating system for your entire business. And that platform is Zoho.
So, does this picture sound a little too familiar? You've got one subscription for your sales team, another for marketing, a completely different one for accounting, maybe another for customer support. You're constantly switching tabs, copying and pasting data, and just trying to get all these different tools to talk to each other. It's a total headache, right? Especially when you're trying to grow. So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll talk about what makes this a different kind of operating system. Then, we'll see how it actually unifies your business. We'll definitely look at the pricing, and then we'll get into two really important topics: data privacy and the values that are literally built into the software. Okay, first up, what do we even mean by an operating system for your business? Well, we're talking about making a move away from that chaos of scattered spreadsheets and a bunch of apps that just don't communicate with each other. See, at its core, Zoho isn't just a single product. It's this huge, interconnected ecosystem of over 40 different applications. And the key thing here, the really important part, is that they were all built by the same company, from the ground up to work together perfectly. The entire goal is to give you one single system that can run your whole business. And when I say everything, I mean the scope is just massive. It handles your entire sales pipeline with its CRM. It covers all your money with finance and billing tools. You've got project management, inventory, marketing campaigns, customer support with help desk and live chat, even your HR stuff like recruitment. It's really designed to be the central nervous system for your company. Okay, so that all sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work in the real world? Let's take a little tour of the core engine and see how all these pieces actually connect to create that unified experience. The absolute heart of this whole ecosystem is the Zoho CRM. You should think of it like the sun in a solar system. It's the center of gravity that pulls all your customer information together. So whether a customer opens a marketing email, talks to a sales rep, or submits a support ticket, every single interaction is logged in one central place. This gives your team a complete 360-degree view of every single customer. No more guessing games. Now, this is what that looks like in action. This is the Cambium view right inside the CRM. Each one of those little cards you see is a deal, and each column is a different stage in your sales process. You can literally just drag and drop a deal as it moves from being a brand new lead all the way to a closed sale. It's such a simple visual way to see your entire sales pipeline in a single glance. But what if you need to make absolutely sure your team follows a specific process every single time? Well, that's where this really cool feature called Blueprint comes in. It lets you build a digital flowchart of your ideal sales process. So, for example, you can make it mandatory for a sales rep to upload a signed contract before they're even allowed to move a deal into the closed won stage. It basically acts like guardrails, making sure everyone follows best practices and cutting down on mistakes. And of course, there's AI baked right in. Zoho's AI is named Zia, and it focuses on doing really practical, helpful things. It can analyze your data and score your leads to tell you which ones are hot and which are not. It'll even suggest the best time to call someone based on their past engagement. It can spot weird changes in your sales trends. And yes, it can even help you draft emails or summarize long conversations. Think of it like a smart assistant for your entire sales team. Okay, so a platform with this much power and this many features, it's got to be expensive, right? Well, let's talk about the price, because honestly, affordability is one of the main reasons so many small and medium-sized businesses really gravitate toward this system. So if we just look at the CRM for a second, the pricing is broken down into these different tiers. And get this, there's a genuinely free forever plan for up to 3 people, which is awesome for startups or just for testing it out. The standard plan adds in key automation that small teams need. Professional is really the most popular. It hits that sweet spot for most growing businesses, and then the enterprise plan unlocks all the most powerful AI features. And you basically have 2 ways to buy in. You can go modular, just buying the individual apps you need right now. That keeps your upfront costs low. Or you can go for the Zoho One bundle, which gives you access to pretty much everything for one single price per employee. As your company grows and you start needing more and more of those tools, Zoho One almost always ends up being the cheaper option in the long run. So what kind of results can a business actually get from this? Well, there's a great case study on a company called Rain for Rent. After they switched from a bunch of disconnected systems over to Zoho One, they saw a return on their investment of 610%. And they made their money back in just over 2 months. I mean, that is a staggering number, and it just shows you the kind of efficiency you can unlock with a truly unified system. All right, let's shift gears to something that's more important now than ever before: your data and your privacy. For Zoho, this isn't just a checkbox on a feature list. It's right at the core of their entire philosophy as a company. Their whole approach to data can be summed up in this one incredibly direct statement: your data belongs to you, period. It's a simple, powerful promise, and it guides how they handle every single piece of customer information. And this has massive implications when you think about AI. See, a lot of tech companies use your data to train their big global AI models. That means the insights from your business could end up helping your competitors. Zoho has a strict policy against that. Your data is only ever used to train AI models for you. Your business intelligence helps your business, not someone else's. And this isn't just a promise. They have the receipts to back it up. Zoho holds major security certifications like SOC 2 and ISO 27001. They're fully GDPR compliant, and they can be set up for HIPAA as well. All your data is locked down with strong encryption, both when it's flying across the internet and when it's just sitting on their servers. So for this last section, I want to connect all these features and policies back to a bigger idea: the idea that the tools we choose can and should reflect our values. This is a direct quote about their business philosophy. It's all about honesty and respect for the customer. Don't push an upsell just to make a buck. Don't collect data you don't need. And always, always put delivering real value ahead of just chasing revenue. And when a software platform is actually built on principles like these, it kind of encourages its users to do business the same way. It becomes about using technology to build real relationships, to focus on what your customers actually need, and to have a fundamental respect for their privacy. So I'll just leave you with this final thought. We often pick our tools based on features and price, and that's important. But what if we also chose them based on the principles they stand for? What if the software we use to run our business could also be a reflection of the honest, respectful way we want to operate? It's definitely something to think about.